Hey, welcome back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to log out your account from Binance. First of all, open up your preferred web browser and head over to Binance.com. Now, hover your mouse to the profile icon, which is at the top right corner of the page. Here, you'll find various options. At the end of the drop-down menu, you can see a logout option. Click on it. So that is how you can log out from your Binance account. Make sure to log out, especially if you are using a public or shared computer, to protect your account from unauthorized access. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.